Let us start with the new chapter, children. What comes next? So the first bit is 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. If you observe here, you will understand that this is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square. So odd numbers squares they have taken. So next one is 11 square, 121. So option C. Now coming to the second one, 7, 15, 31, 63, 127. If you observe here, it is into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1. Like that, if you follow that logic, if you multiply 127 with 2 and if you add 1, you will get 254 plus 1, 255. So option A. Coming to the third one, this is here, if you observe, these are cubes and the down second alternate numbers are squares. So next number, our answer number, that means in this question part you need to find out the square, which number square you will take it out. So this is 2 square, this is 4 square, and this is 6 square. Here this is the question mark, children. In this question mark part you need to take the cubes. So 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube. 5 cube will come. So answer is option D. Now option D. Fourth one is 2, 5, 11, 23, 47. If you observe clearly, it is into 2 plus 1 again. So for each number you need to multiply with 2 and you need to add 1. 47 2s 94 plus 1 95. So option D. Fifth one, 5, 7, 11, 19, 35, 67. That means here if you observe, it is plus 2, plus 4, plus 8, plus 16, plus 32. That means every number 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 64 should be added. For 67, 64 should be added. If you add 64 to 67, your answer is 131. Option B. Now sixth one is 3, 10, 19, 30, 43, 58. If you observe the logic here, it is the difference between the two numbers is 7, 9, 11, 13. Next one is 15. So in the question mark part, the gap should be 17. If you add 58 plus 17, you will get 75. So option C. Now coming to the seventh one, the given numbers are 3, 7, 23 and 95. If you observe clearly, it is into 2 plus 1. Now into 3 plus 2. Next one is, here I am writing clearly, children, into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 2, into 4 plus 3. And next, if you follow this one, see 2, 3, 4. So next one 5 should come, plus 1, 2, 3. So next 4 should come. That means you should multiply this 95, last 95 with 5, and you need to add 4. So you will get an option C, 479. Now coming to the eighth bit, the gap between each number, if you observe, it is 1. Now 9. Next one is 25. Next one is 49. Next one is 81. Okay, so what number you need to add? So if you check this one, this is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 11. This is 9 square. Next one is 11 square. That means 121 should be added. If you add 169 plus 121, see here 169 plus 121, 2, 8, 9 here, 290. So option is 6, 7, 8, 9, no, 8, 9. 290 is your option, option A. Now coming to the ninth one. Coming to the ninth one, 258, 130. This is 390, children, option B. Eighth one is option B, sorry. So here 258, 130, 66, 34, 18, 10. If you observe the gap between each one, here the gap is plus 8. Next one is plus 16. Next one is plus 32. Next one is plus 64. That means every number multiplication into 2 they have taken. That means which number into 2 is 8? That means 4. So subtract 4 from that 10. That means 6. If you observe, it will be easy for you. I am writing here. So plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64, like that they have taken. So before 8 they should take plus 4, children. That means you need to take 6 in that option. So option 9 is, ninth bit answer is option C. Let us see 10th bit, children. 7, 9, here 7, 9, 12, 17, 24, 35 is there. When we observe plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 11, that means here they are adding all the primes only. So what is the next prime after 11? 13. So you should add 13 to this 35. If you add 13 to 35, you will get 48. So option C. 10th one is option C. Now coming to this 11th one, 3, 15, dash, 63, 99, 143. If you observe here children, each number can be written as 2 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1. In this part question mark is there, 8 square minus 1. Now 11 square minus 1. So the third one is option 6 square minus 1 will come. See, if you want, you can observe 2 square minus 1, that means 4 minus 1, 3, 16 minus 1, 15. Here they have written 7, 8 square minus 1, that means 64 minus 1. That means this gap should be filled with 6, no? Because they are taking 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, 10 square. All even numbers square minus 1. So in this place 6 square minus 1 means option C. Option B is the correct one. 11th one is option B. Now coming to the 12th one, if you observe the logic for the 12th one, they have taken the gap between each number is 64, 64, 49, 36, 25. So next gap should be 16. That means reduce the 16 from this one. That means add 16 for this one. You will get 4, 15, option A. Coming to the 13th one, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35, 48. If you observe the difference, it is plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11, plus 13. So next one should be plus 15. If you add 15 to 48, you will get 63. So option B. 13th one is option B. Now coming to the 14th one, 5, 6, 10, 19, 35, 60. If you observe the gap between that, plus 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So next number should be 36. So option is 96. Option B. Now coming to the 15th bit. Coming to the 15th bit children. Here if you observe 15th bit, 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. They have given. What is the next number you should find out. First of all, if you observe this one clearly, the gap between them two is 6, 18, 36, 60, 90. So next one should be what number you should take it as the next sequence. If you observe here, you can make it like 6 into 1. 18 can be written as 6 3s, 6 6, 6 10s, and next one is 6 15s, right? How they have taken, everywhere 6 is common, but what is the logic for the second number to be taken? 1 3 6 10. That means plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 should come, right? Already the first place is reserved. This first place is already kept for 6 only. So 6. That means 6 6s are 36. So here you should take plus 6. That means 15 plus 6 you should take children. See here 1 plus 2 they have taken. Again plus 3 6 came. Plus 4 10 came. Plus 5 15 came. Plus 6 means 21 should come. So 6 into 21. 6 into 21 means 126. That means what is the difference between the last one and the question mark answer? Here 210 plus 126. So option is 336. Your option is 336. Option C. 15th one is option C. Now coming to the next analogy, A, B, D, D, G, K, H, M, S. If you observe that properly, the gap between each one is 0, 1 letter. There is no gap between here. There is no gap between here. 0, 1. Again 1 letter, 2 letters. Here 2 letters, 3 letters. Gap between these is 4 letters and 5 letters. After that 6, 7, 8, 9. That means in the answer one, in between the first, second and third, the gap between first 2 letters is 10 and the second second and third letters should be 11, which is satisfying with the fourth option. See here children, Z and K, the gap between these two is 10 and the gap between the next two will be the 11 option. So option D. 16th one is option D. Coming to the 17th one, QIA, SKC, UME. If you observe the gap between that, they given PQRS. That means only observe the first letters of each and every set. Q, R they left, S they have written, T they have left, U they have written. So U, the next letter should be U, V they should leave, and W they should write. So first letter means option B is the correct one. Coming to the 18th one, U, M, E, V, N, F, W, O, G. Coming to the first letters of all the letters, U, V, W, X should come. So you have three options starting with X. You can't find out using the first letter. Going to the last letter, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H should come. That means at the last H should come. X and starting H ending. Option B is the correct one. Coming to the 19th one, P, M, T, O, O, S, N, Q, R, M, S, Q they have given. So find out the logic. See first letter children, it is going backwards. M, N, O, P. So what is the before letter for this? L, right? First letter should be L. All the options are having first letter L. So I am going with the second letter to check. M, N they left O, P they left Q, R they left writing S. So T they should leave and they should write U. So U, L, U means only one option is there, that is option A. Coming to the 20th bit children, E, G, J, L, O, Q. I am checking the gap between those two. A, B, C, D, F. First one letter, here 2, again 1, 2, 1. 2 letters gap should come. So after Q, R, S they should leave and they need to write T. Option D. 20th one is option D. Coming to the 21st one, A, I, P, V, A, E. That means what is the gap between each and every letter I am checking. So in between these two 8 letters, 7 letters gap is there. Here 6 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there. So next 3 letters gap should be there, right? So with 3 letters gap means there is only one option, option C. Okay children, now coming to I, M, Q, U, Y, C. What is the logic they have used? So they used 9. What is the numbering of I? 9, 13. Here 17. U will be 21. Y will be 25 and C will be 3. So if you observe each and every number, they are adding 4 children. In order to get the next letter, they added 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 4, 25 plus 4. Now C is 3. So 3 plus 4 means it is option 3 plus 4 means 7 children. So option G. Option D. 22 option is D. Now coming to the third one, UB. 23rd one, UBIPW. UBIPW is nothing but 21 is the option for U. So 21, 2, 9, 16, 23. If you observe here, they are adding plus 7 for each. If you add 23 plus 7, 24, 25, 26. You should not go from 27, 28, 29 because you have only 26 alphabet. So 23 onwards, 24, 25, 26, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should come. So option D and the alphabet is D. Now BMX, DNW, FOU. If you observe the link between each and every letter, B, C they left, D they have written, E they left, F they have written, G they left and H they should write. And here if you observe, you have 2 options starting with H. By observing the middle alphabet you can't check anything, go for last 2 letters to check. So X to W they did not given any gap because U, V, W, X, that means 0 gap is there. If you observe this U and W, minus 2 they have done because 23 minus 2 is 21, U is 21. Like that if you observe, you need to take, that means here they have you have taken minus 1 here instead of 0, better to take minus 1. X minus 1 is W. If you jump backward 2 steps it will be U. If you jump like this, if you carry on, minus 3 you should do. If you jump backward 3 letters, R should come, but they did not given that option children. So you make it as E option as HPR. You make that option as HPR. So that is option E. Now 25th one is AGM, BHN, CIO, DJP. If you observe the letters here, A, B, C, D. Next E letter should come. Now coming to the next last one, M, N, O, P. Last letter should be Q. Okay, leave the first middle letter because you have only one option starting with E and ending with Q. Now coming to 26th one, YMA, ZNB, AOC. If you observe here, it is moving backward. That means next to that what letter will come children? You will get B only, right? And coming to the last letters A, B, C, D should come, last B. and first one B, last one D. You have two options, A and D options are there, so go for middle option, middle one also, MNOP, that means BPD. Option D is the correct one. 27th one, 2A, 9B, 6C, 13D. When you are observing only the number part, they are doing plus 7 minus 3. Here plus 7 they done, minus 3, again plus 7, they should do minus 3 children. So 13 minus 3 is 10. Option B is the correct one. Coming to the 28th one, 3F, 6G, 11I, 18L. So here they have taken see children, now 28th bit, F, G, I, L is there. So FG, there is no gap. After G to I, GH, one letter gap is there. After I to L, GHI, J, K, two letters gap is there. Then next letter after L, which letter should come? Three letters gap should come. So L, M, N should leave and you need to write O. So which option is having O children? Option A. So 28th one is option O. Option A. Now 29th one, C4XF9U, C4XF9U, I16R. So if you observe the letters between C and F, two letters gap is there. From F to I, two letters gap is there. So from I to next two letters gap means it should be like L. Okay, so there are three options starting with L. Now coming to the last one, so P, Q, R, S, T they left and U they have written U, V, W they left and they have written X. So if you leave two letters you will get O. So starting with L and ending with O you will have option C. 29th one is option C. Now K, I, G, E, that means in between each and every letter they have given one letter gap. So before E, C should come. When coming to the numbers part, you need to do plus 3, plus 3, plus 3 and plus 3. So 14 plus 3, 17. So option is 30th option is C. What comes next in the series below? Here they have given half triangle. Again one more triangle they have taken and they closed it. It is like a curved figure. Again they have double, single figure, double figure, same, single repetition should come. So option A is the correct one. Coming to 32nd one, what comes next in the series below? If you check here there is no ear and one ear, 2 ears are there. Like if you think this is a doll, you have 2 ears are there. And when you check this inside, this is moving towards inside and those lines are outside, again inside, again outside. So inside should come. That means the figure should be, lines should be inside and you should have an circle with 2 ears. And if you observe here there is no eye, that means you should have one more eye here. So 2 eyes, that is moving inside and with 2 ears is option D. 32 is option D. Now coming to the 33rd one, if you observe the picture, here the picture is reverse for this one. Now pentagon is reverse here. So triangle should be reverse, that means triangle should be upside down. Baseline should come up and the corner, down corner should come down. So in these two you have B and D are there. If you observe the picture, there are two triangles which are having upside triangles. Observe the middle one children, observe the middle one. Here it is square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle should come. So option D is the correct one. Next one is 34th one. What comes next in the series below? If you observe this circle, it is moving first up, right up, now down. It is moving in this order children. So first here, second here, move this one, next up, next it should come in this position. There is only one option which it should come this. It is because it is moving in an anti-clockwise direction. Option A is the correct one. 35th one is what comes next in the series below. It will be like a mirror image. First and third are mirror image. So second and fourth should be mirror image. So this straight line should come this side now and this bending should come this side. So in which option you have the straight line and bending this side? Option D children, because you have two options in that, but when you check the legs, one is slant and one is straight, but in this figure you both are slant, but in this figure you have one is straight and one is slant. So option D is the correct one, which will applicable the mirror image. Now 36th one, if you see this circle, it is moving in an anti-clockwise direction, so it should move like this. So in the fourth picture, if you observe here, in the fourth picture the circle came this side. If you next one more figure, if you draw, the circle should be here in this position. So the circle is in the third option. In option C, the circle is in that position. When you observe this arc semicircle also, it is moving in an cyclic order, so it should come in this position. But in the reverse option, that means in this way it should come, because one is normal, one is reverse. So this semicircle should be normal. So option C is the correct one. 37th bit, if you observe this picture, this is moving in an anti-clockwise direction, this V is moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So in the next figure, the V should come here. So in option C it is happening. In option C and option A it is happening. But if you observe this design, children, this design is there which is moving outside. That means the design should be, this knobs should be outside. So option A is the correct one. Now coming to 38th one, what comes next? Here circle, triangle, square, pentagon. That means the next figure outer boundary should be the figure here. So next figure outer circle should be the square, next figure outer circle should be the pentagon. So next figure outer circle should be semicircle. And if you observe here, triangle, square, pentagon, semicircle, there is no repetition, children, so triangle won't come. In this C won't be possible, so option D is the correct one, where semicircle is the outer circle, outer figure, and oval or circle is in the middle one. Coming to 39th one, what comes next in the series below? If you observe this one, only in each and every figure you have only one arrow mark, either in this direction or in this direction. So in the given options which are having only one arrow mark, children, in option C and option D. But if you observe here, in these two you have sleeping lines, but the next modification of this figure should not have any sleeping line or standing line. But in this figure you have sleeping line, so it is not the option. Option D is the correct one. 39th one is option D. Now 40th one, what comes next in the series below? It is simply like repetition, children. Now 1, 2, 3, if you given numbering for the figure, it is same like 1. So again 1 came, that means 2 will come. 2 is nothing but it is a figure. So this is in this format. So option next question answer is second figure should come, where it follows the second option, children. Second figure is B, it is looking like B. So 40th option is B.